Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Brossard, Quebec, is a beautiful city that sits just south of Montreal, right across the St. Lawrence River. Brossard is part of Greater Montreal and is known for being a diverse, vibrant community. It's home to a mix of cultures, with people from all around the world. This diversity gives Brossard a unique feel, especially in its food, shops, and festivals. The city was officially founded in 1958, so it's fairly young compared to some of the other towns nearby, but it has grown quickly over the years. One thing that makes Brossard stand out is its modern development. It's known for its many residential neighborhoods, parks, and commercial areas. Brossard also has lots of green spaces. There are parks like Parc Radisson and Parc Charpentier, where you can walk, bike, and enjoy nature. The St. Lawrence River nearby gives locals and visitors a nice spot to relax by the water. Brossard is connected to Montreal by several bridges, with the Champlain Bridge being the main one. This makes it easy for people to commute to the city. In fact, a lot of people who work in Montreal live in Brossard because it's close by, but offers a more relaxed atmosphere. Whether you're here for the food, shopping, or just to see something new, this city has something for everyone.